Hello and welcome to Point or View. Virgin Galactic completed what is expected to be its final test flight on May 25 before taking paying customers on short trips to the edge of space. The space tourism company described this as a fantastic achievement in what has been a long road to commercial operations. 6 of the company's employees, including 2 pilots, landed at Spaceport America in southern New Mexico after the short up and down flight that included a few minutes of weightlessness. It took about an hour for the mother ship to carry the spaceplane to an altitude of 44,500 feet or 13,563 meters, where it was released and fired its rocket motor to make the final push. It reached an altitude of 54.2 miles or 87 kilometers before gliding back down to the runway, according to the company. The flight came nearly 2 years after founder Richard Branson beat fellow billionaire and Amazon founder Jeff Bezos and rocket company Blue Origin into space. Bezos ended up flying 9 days later from West Texas, and Blue Origin has since launched several passenger trips. Federal aviation authorities banned Virgin Galactic launches after Branson's flight to investigate a mishap. Virgin Galactic has been working for more than a decade to send paying passengers on short space hops, and in 2021 finally won the federal government's approval. The next step will be for Virgin Galactic to analyze data from Thursday's flight and inspect the planes and other equipment as the company prepares for commercial service, possibly as soon as late June. The initial commercial flight will include members of the Italian Air Force who will conduct experiments. Next will come customers who purchased tickets years ago for their chance at weightlessness aboard a winged spacecraft that launches from the belly of an airplane. About 800 tickets have been sold over the past decade, with the initial batch going for $000 each. Tickets now cost $000 per person. Virgin Galactic has reached space 5 times since 2018 and will be aiming for 400 flights per year from Spaceport America once it finishes building its next class of rocket-powered planes at a facility in neighboring Arizona. Virgin Orbit, a sister company to Virgin Galactic that is focused on launching satellites to space on a small rocket, filed for bankruptcy in April. This week, the company announced it would sell off Virgin Orbit's assets to several other commercial space companies. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.